Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and Samsung Galaxy M20 is finally launched today, and the best buy links and the description is provided in the link below the descriptions where you can find out the best buy links. And this phone M20 is priced under 15,000 rupees. There are two variants. This one is the 64 GB and 4 GB RAM. There is also a 332, which is the lower priced variant, and this is under 13,000 rupees. That is a very interesting price point for Samsung phones. So you can check the price and colors and availability in the description section. In this video, I'm gonna quickly unbox this. This is the shortest and quickest unboxing video you are gonna see, and I'm gonna not turn it into a very long video, so I am not gonna waste your time. Make sure you watch it till the end, and there is an exciting announcement that we are going to make towards the end. You probably guessed it right. Yes, we are hinting a giveaway, but just make sure you keep watching. Quick specifications on the box: Infinity V display, dual camera, 5000 mAh battery. Yes, 5000 mAh battery, which is one of the USPs of this phone. Then it comes with a 6.3-inch display at front, which is with V Infinity tall display. It has 13 plus 5 megapixel rear camera setup, 8 megapixel front facing camera. It comes with Exynos 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, and it also has fast charging, which is something that we didn't expect at this price point, especially from Samsung, but they did it. So kudos to Samsung, they have done some things right. They have also brought in automatic brightness on the M series, which is appreciated because they have been missing out on that feature. This is the phone, and before I show you the phone, let me show you the box contents. This is a fast charger, 5 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt 1.67 ampere, so it goes up to 15 watt. There is also a data cable, which is a type C USB data cable. So this is a type C compatible phone, and there's a SIM ejector pin right here in the box. So that's all in the box. Let's get back to the phone, and we have got the denim blue color. We have also covered the M10 unboxing. It's available on our channel, so make sure you watch the M10 as well if you are curious, and if you are confused between the M10 and M20. We are going to do a quick comparison video as well, so as just for your clarity and just to give you a quick comparison of what differentiate these two phones. This is the blue color polycarbonate plastic bag. Does not look very premium. You get phones in metal or better materials from competing brands, but this is Samsung, so you have to expect some downsides, some cost cutting compared to those brands, because Samsung has some brand value, and it also has some service network for which it would definitely charge a premium, which is why the M20, but it has done some things right, which I'm going to talk about. This is the 6.3-inch V display, as they call it. This is an IPS LCD. On the right, they have the power wake up key, and this is the volume rocker. On top is this is a secondary mic hole, and on this side you have SIM card tray. And good thing that they have done is that they have 2 nano SIM card slot and 1 discrete micro SD card slot. And on the bottom is 3.5mm audio port, type C charging port, microphone and speaker grill. And on the rear is the Samsung branding. There is a fingerprint scanner, and there is a 13 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup with LED flash. This is how the display is. The bezels are quite slim, and the phone with a 5000 mAh battery is not that thick. But yes, you can see that the chin raises slightly here because of the thickness. It is able to accommodate that big battery, and it's a good thing that it comes with type C charging, and that too fast charging. So let me quickly set this up and get back with more details and camera test. And we are back after a quick setup, and this is how the display looks like. This is the 6.3-inch. I have turned the back brightness to maximum. Let me show you the face unlock and how it works. So I'm just gonna twist it towards my face, and it unlocks. It's not bad, I tell you. It's quite good, and it's quite fast. There's also fingerprint scanner, which I have not set up yet. I'll test that in my detailed video. And this was a quick face unlock, as you can see. Yeah, it unlocks quite fast, so I am impressed with the way it unlocks, and the speed of the phone also feels quite snappy. As you can see, it is responding well. Let's open a few apps and see how it responds. Not the fastest, but not bad as well. 4 GB of RAM is definitely doing some magic here. Plus, if you look at the price point of this phone, this is under 13,000 rupees. It comes with Android Oreo 8.1, which does look good, and there is Samsung Experience 9.5, which has been specially optimized for M series of phones, which is quite good. The bezels are quite slim, the display looks promising, but this is the maximum brightness minded. If you take it outdoors, indoors it's good, but if you take it outdoors it may fall insufficient, so the TFT displays are not as vivid or bright as some of the AMOLED counterparts of Samsung siblings that you have seen in the slightly higher price segments, and also some of the competitor phones which have the brighter displays in the similar price segments. Well, I'll not I'll not compare this phone exactly against those phones right now, but let's have a look at the phone camera prowess and let's find out how good the camera performs here. So this is the regular 13 megapixel lens and this is the wide angle 5 megapixel lens. You see the difference between the wide and regular? This quite a lot of difference. And this is the front facing 8 megapixel selfie camera. So let's check out the pictures. This is the 8 megapixel front facing selfie camera. Yeah, detailing is moderate, but image is breaking on a little bit of zooming in. And if you just have a look at the rear camera pictures, here are the results. So this is the wide angle picture that we have taken. Honestly, it looks good. This is a 5 megapixel only, but it has come out to be okay. And this is the 13 megapixel with a lot of detailing. The colors are accurate and the detailing is good. So the cameras are impressive. The design of the phone is good. It has a 5000 mAh battery, which is great. It comes with fast charging. The display quality, panel quality looks fine. The brightness could have been better. This V notch looks smart. And it comes with Type-C, which is good. It has 3.5mm audio port. It has discrete SD card slot. So a lot of things are going in favor of this phone. It has a fast face unlock. It also has a fingerprint scanner, dual camera with live focus and a lot of modes. So a lot of good things about this phone. Yes, it is not metal. Yes, it does not look very premium like the other phones in this price segment. But yes, it is a Samsung, so comes with Samsung's trust and it comes with the warranty and service network that Samsung provides. So that way it is good. There's no earphones in the box, so something to remember. But you don't get earphones in most budget phones these days anyway. So this is all we have on this video. What are your thoughts? If you want to buy one, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below. And we are coming up with giveaways very soon. So make sure you stay tuned to our channel, like this video and subscribe to our channel for the giveaway announcements. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Very soon we are coming up with giveaways. This is all we have on this video. Stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.